Our project is groundwater analysis in the surroundings of Cooum River presented by Deva Balagan, Thirugnanam, Wasif Abdul Sultan, guided by Mr. Raja Ganapati ME, Assistant Professor, Civil Department. Aim and objective to analyze the groundwater in the areas of Amjigere and Chetpet on either sides of the Cooum River and to calculate the water quality index. Introduction. Cooum River is the most polluted river in India, which ends in the city of Chennai, formerly draining into Bay of Bengal. The river is considered to be shortest classified river draining into the Bay of Bengal and is only about 72 km and 45 meter long. This is the original view of Cooum River in late 1990s. Present polluted state of the Cooum River. Literature review. The paper we referred are heavy metals and ecological risk assessments in marine sediments of Chennai, India. Limnology of River Cooum with special reference to sewage and heavy metal pollution. Groundwater pollution of the Madras urban aquifer, India. Soft systems methodology and the ecosystem approach, a system study of the Cooum River and environments in Chennai, India. An adaptive ecosystem approach to rehabilitation and management of the Cooum River in environmental system in Chennai. Bioaccumulation of lead in milk of buffaloes from Cooum River belt in Chennai. This is what the lead is found in the milk of the buffaloes that is consuming the Cooum River and the waters nearby Cooum River. So the people consuming the milk also get affected due to the lead content. This is the paper we study. Methodology. Literature review, collection of sample, test for physical characteristics, test for chemical characteristics, results and discussion. These are the various drinking standards according to the VAS. Color, turbidity, pH, total hardness, calcium, magnesium, copper, iron, manganese, chlorate, sulfates, nitrates, fluorides, phenols, mercury, cadmium, selenium, arsenic, cyanide, lead, zinc, chromium, mineral oil, etc. are the tests we have done for the drinking water characteristics. This is the location of Cooum River coming running through the north and south of the Chennai. Samples location. This is the location of the sample we took, area of study 1 and area of study 2. These are the actual locations of the samples, either side of Damjigere and Chetpet. Collection of samples. In each area, 5 samples were taken as following. Water samples were collected from borewells at depth of 30 to 40 meters and they were collected and accordingly they were specimen and they were taken to the laboratory for testing. We named the samples A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, Amjigare and C1, C2, C3, C4, C5 in Chetpat. And the same area, the samples were taken in another period of time in the date of March and February. Testing of samples, color, odor, pH, pH meter, the test we have done, turbidity, hardness, chlorates. This is a test for chlorates we have done the azotometric method, phenolphthalein alkalinity. This is the titration we have done. Other parameters like hardness, these are calculated. Report of sample 1. This is the report of sample 1. The values are indicating the standard values and the acceptable values. We got these values of the sample. This is the acceptable value. Sample A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A C2, C5, C6 reports. We also finding the water quality using the water quality index. Quality rating of sub index is the Q1 is equal to 100 into Vn minus Vi naught Sn minus Vs. The values are taken from the VIs. Q1 is the quality rating for nth water quality parameter. Vn estimated value of the nth parameter. Sn is the standard permissible value of nth parameter. Vi naught is the ideal value of the nth parameter in pure water. That is for all the parameters except parameter pH and dissolved oxygen. Calculation of unit weight. The formula we use the Wn is equal to K by Sn, where W is the unit weight of the nth parameters, Sn standard value for the nth parameters, K constant of proportionality. Unit weight. We taken according to the IS standard and the BA standard, the values of the pH turbidity, which were used for the Wn value. The formula is W water quality index is equal to summation of Qn Wn divided by summation of Wn. The water quality is determined by 0 to 25 is equal to excellent water quality, 26 to 50 is good water quality, 51 to 75 is pure water quality, 76 to 100 is very poor water quality, 100 is unsuitable for drinking. We from the samples we have taken, we are taking the average sample value for substituting in the value. Accordingly, we have Using the formula, we found the value we got of 15, 5, 4, which are good water quality. Comparison of parameters. We also compared the two samples taken different average values in a graph. These are the comparison and the graph showing the variabilities. Chlorides, total alkalinity, sulfates, ethyl orange ion, total inorganic solids, BOD, water quality index. Conclusion. Conclusion is that the color and the water of the water in the selected areas are acceptable. The turbidity of the entire site samples are within the acceptable limit. The pH of the water is within the range of 6.5 to 8.5. As the hardness is above the acceptable limit, there is a risk of milk alkaline syndrome and hyperglycemia. Change in board persons in the normal kidney function and it may cause corrosion. That is, the hardness and alkalinity is high in the samples we collected. Other than other parameters are within the acceptable limit. The chloride content is acceptable, but 2 is recommended to chloride the water before using it for domestic purposes. As we saw, the alkalinity is also high. The sulfate content in the water areas studied as less than, that is, they are within the acceptable limit. The iron and the total energy solids in the water is under the acceptable limit. The biological oxygen demand is also under the acceptable limit. The water quality standards show the water is excellent quality. This is our project. Thank you.